What's up, Fender?
Hey, Kerry, how's it going? Check this out. This is our, we're doing, let me grab the pieces here, actually. So, you see on this thing, we're putting those 16-inch ORI shocks on this. We're making our own towers and stuff. So we think, hey, what about the guys who are going to do coilovers or ORIs or bypasses or whatever, and want to maybe even their own custom coil spring bracket? Let's make an inner fender that is a blank. So you can still get all that really cool mud and splash prevention stuff, and be able to cut it out to fit whatever suspension you want to run. But check this out. Look at how tight this thing fits. Really cool. It's even a provision for the wiring and stuff. And just to show you, like a normal fender that we offer for a stock suspension or a modified, but it's cut out like this, so it looks really cool. It has this overlay, so it's, it looks really cool, but we don't have no idea where we want to put this shock or the suspension, or the guys at home. So you can buy this blank, do your suspension, and cut it out yourself. Made out of 16 gauge aluminum 2-piece, so it's really easy to install. We beefed up the brackets and stuff. This is actually going to be really cool for all the guys doing that stuff at home. Really cool product.